Okay, let's have a look at CL this morning, which I thought the one was possibly in over here last week, and we had a diagonal pattern to the downside. However, we've pushed up very, very strongly this morning, and we've got to the 2618 for this entire move up off the recent lows, and it coming off now. This is either the top of the three, and we're going to get a 4, 5. So if that's the case, I'd expect us to hold between 70.81 and 70.91 and then push on up to 71.73. Otherwise, look for a micro 5 down, 3 back, and we can get short in CL. If I just give you that on the 4-hour chart, there's the low that we're counting off on back on August the 15th, and we're right in the upper part of the resistance zone. But this should be the one of this C wave up here to much, much higher. So I'm looking for a 2 back. We can get swing long using the ETFs once we see that. In the meantime, once we've got a local top confirmed, looking down for a couple of days in terms of day trading, 67.02 to 66.02 area is the target for this too, but in an ABC pattern. NG, let's have a look at NG this morning. So NG, if I just zoom out to the 4-hour chart initially, we've got this 1 down, 2 back of the C wave of a much larger 2 that we're tracking. We've got another 1, and we got short on Friday here when we hit the 618 retrace. So I was honestly expecting a 4-5 to take us up to the 764, but we got an exact hit on that 618 and started to come off on Friday, hence the 50% position taken in DGAS. Since then, we've got another 1 down that's come just shy of the 764, and I think we're in this 2 back here. And this is the short entry opportunity in futures. If you missed the opportunity to go short DGAS on Friday, that would be where to take your position. And if I see that and it starts to come off, I'll add the other 50%, looking for the 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 for this 3, down to at least 24.59, and that's just for the wave 3. We're looking for a move all the way down to 22.65 to complete this larger intermediate degree wave 2 in 5 waves. Well, the 5 waves for the C wave off the top of the B here. If I just come down to the 15-minute chart, so off the 2, there's the 5 down from Friday. I think this is the A of this 2, and we should hold in this region and push back up. Don't have to. If we take out 28.18, then you should see it start to accelerate to the downside, and we're already in the 3 of 3 down in natural gas.